Speak of the devil. We were huddled together in our lunch table, talking about our boss, when he walked in. Well, speak of the devil. Do you know what Sandy did yesterday? Oh, speak of the devil, here she comes. I hope our teacher doesn't come today. Oh, speak of the devil, here he comes. In no time flat. That test was so easy, I was done in no time flat. This electric fan is making a funny noise and I need it right away. The last time this happened, my brother fixed it in no time flat. Miss the boat. Submit your job application on time, and don't miss the boat on a job opportunity at the company. The discounted price sale ended today and I just missed the boat on making a great deal. There were tickets available for the match till last week, but you have missed the boat by waiting till today. Make a long story short.
To make a long story short, I ran into Johnny and we decided to go to the coffee shop together. To make a long story short, they decided to get back together for the sake of the kid and are now doing pretty good.
Hang in there. Our company is going through tough times, but we're hanging in there, things will surely work out. Though you are not getting the results you expected to, just hang in there, hard work always pays off. If you just hang in there a little bit longer, I'm sure you'll get promoted soon.